Lamborghini. The 2023 Lamborghini Urus is a supercar with an SUV physique, not just an exotic SUV with a supercar logo. That is demonstrated by the twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 657 horsepower, as well as by the vehicle's astounding performance on well-known racetracks, such as the new Performante model's breaking of the Pikes Peak SUV record. That recently unveiled model, which is lighter and faster, highlights Lamborghini's dedication to making sure the Urus lives up to the brand's unique heritage. This high-riding Lambo is the only vehicle in the showroom that can tow a trailer and carry more than 2 passengers, most likely very wealthy people. On the rare occasions it is now displaying its intricate bodywork or outperforming nearly everything else on the road, while its $250,000 price puts it out of reach for most of us, and its inside isn't as spectacular as it should be for such a large sum. The 2023 Urus is now the only SUV like it. You may wonder if the price is justified, as well as why the Lamborghini Urus is the most anticipated SUV vehicle. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment about your thoughts on the mentioned supercar, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want more stuff like this. What is new for 2023? With the release of the new S and Performante models for the 2023 model year, the Urus performance improves, horsepower increases by 16 to 657 ponies. The Performante has a different suspension than the base S, with steel springs instead of air springs and a lower ride height of 0.8 inch. The Performante is also available with unique shoes, which are 23-inch wheels in Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires in sizes 285 over 40 R22 front and 325 over 235 R22 rear. While the Performante still has a heavy curb weight of 5,200 pounds, Lamborghini claims it is pounds less than the Urus S due to the installation of carbon fiber body panels and the elimination of sound deadening components, among other weight loss efforts. The 2023 model year also includes reworked front and back ends, as well as a new fixed spoiler above liftgate for the Performante, which also includes special seats and interior decor. Pricing and which one to buy. We could save roughly $35,000 if we went for the standard issue Urus S, but we would also miss out on its maximum performance. That is why we want the new Performante for 2023, which has a lower suspension with stiffer steel springs, several weight-saving measures, and more. We would also go with the larger 23-inch wheels wrapped in racetrack-ready Pirelli P0 Trofeo R rubber. Again, the goal is maximum performance. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Urus standard carbon ceramic brakes ensure that it stops as well as it goes, stopping from 70 miles per hour in 149 feet. The new Performante model is the answer for drivers looking for an even faster Urus. It sits 0.8 inch lower and weighs 104 pounds less than the conventional model. It comes standard with 23-inch wheels, and Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires. Furthermore, the Performante sports a steel spring suspension and a unique center differential that transmits more torque rearward than usual. The Ultra Urus also includes a new rally drive mode for unpaved surfaces. We tried it out on a prototype drive of the 23 Urus Performante, which was a lot of fun, although we doubt many owners would take advantage of it. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The owners of Lamborghini's heaviest model, the Urus, sure like to drink, but those affluent enough to purchase one probably don't worry about fuel efficiency. The 657 HP Urus is predicted by the EPA to achieve 14 mpg in the city and 19 mpg on the motorway. The mileage will undoubtedly vary depending on driving style, even though we have not tested its real-world mpg on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route. Visit the EPA website to learn more about the Urus fuel efficiency. Infotainment and connectivity. Every Urus is packed with the latest connectivity and infotainment features, along with a fully digital gauge cluster. There are 2 touch screens built into the center stack that include controls for the climate system, audio, and more. The screens have crisp graphics and large icons, but they are not as intuitive as traditional knobs and buttons. Safety and driver assistance features. The Lambo SUV also offers an array of standard and optional driver assistance technology, including a night vision camera. For more information about the Urus crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety or IIHS websites. Key safety features include standard adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go technology, standard blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert, and available self-parking assist. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Lamborghini's warranty is only 3 years long and has no mileage cap. Similarly, it does not provide free planned maintenance. However, for an additional fee, the Italian manufacturer offers extended warranties and maintenance plans. The limited warranty covers 3 years and unlimited kilometers. The powertrain warranty is valid for 3 years and unlimited miles. There is no free planned maintenance. Now that you have learned everything, what do you think? We would love to hear about it, so please share it with us in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, be sure to give it a like. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to see more content like this, so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. We appreciate you sticking with us all the way to the end. See you in our next videos.